Respectable guardians and my beloved students, Assalamu alaikum. It's me Murshida Akhtar Shimu again, your class teacher from Lofty Laboratory School and College. We are going to start our English class now. So let's go without wasting time. We are going to start our class. So our first topic is fill in the gaps with the small letters. In previous class, we fill these gaps with capital letters. Now we are going to fill these gaps with small letters. Okay, let's go. R. What we have? We have R given. We have to write down the next letter, and the next letter of R is S. Small S. Look at this. Here we have T. We have to write down U. U is just like that. S-T-U-V. Look at this. It's V given. And here is our two boxes is blank. Don't be afraid of. You have to fill these boxes with the synchronized letters. You have V here. You have to recite the other letters. V, W, X, Y, Z. You have to just recite them serially. Okay? V. Then we are going to write W. We can write W just like this also, but you have to put them in the middle of three lines that we wrote in our writing copy. Okay? W, X, Y and Z. You have to remember one thing, that in our handwriting copy, capital letters used several times in upper two lines, these two lines, and small letters are using most of the time is middle of the line, this line. Look at this, Z, X, W. Okay, just like this. Okay, my dear students, I hope you understand what I am talking about. Okay, let's go for the next topic. Our next topic is rearrange the following letters. Rearrange the letters. Look, we have some letters here disorderly. It is not synchronized actually. You have to synchronize them in below the line. What will be the first letter or beginning letter? It will be J. Then what we have after J? It will be K. K, L, M and N. Just like that, we have to find the synchronized letter and fill these boxes with them. Okay? Okay, dear student, this was our rearrange. We are going to our next topic. Our next topic is matching the numbers. Our next topic is matching the number. It was your most lovable topic. In our class, we love to do that, and it's very easy for us all. Okay, let's go. Here we have 1 and 2 column. Okay, we have to find these letters. Where is it in the other column, and match them with a straight line. Okay, let's go. Here is our R. We have to find out where is our R in the next column. Okay, we have got our R. We have to draw a straight line there, and with an arrow mark we have to show them our R is just right there. Okay. Next is S. Where is our S? Look at this. We have S just right here and showing our arrow mark to say this our S is just here. Just like that, we have to complete the other letters. T, U, and tell me where is the V? Yes, we have left only one letter here and fill this with V. Just like this. But remember one thing, sometimes you show the arrow sign both of the end. Just like this. But don't show this. You need not to show arrow sign here. Okay, just you have to arrow in this line. But if you don't want to show this arrow line, no need to do that. মুছে দাও এটা. If you don't show this arrow, no problem. Okay, just like this we will match our letters. Okay, this called matching the numbers or letters. Okay, this was our English class. This was our English second class, and we are going to end our class now. So to our respectable guardians, I want to say that please take care of your kids and show them the video and let them practice at home more and more, so that they can prepare for the examination. And one more thing, that take care of your kids by giving them healthy food. That's it for now, and Allah Hafiz, take care.